Hi guys, thank you for tuning into the gunmaking channel. Today we are shooting the Eley Biathlon. Hi guys, you're back at the range and it is winter, and what better time to test the biathlon ammunition from Eley. We're going to shoot it in my Bergara B14, which is known for its mail functions, so we have to see. I'm going to start with 10 foulers, and then we're going to ride on and shoot some groups. And I have high hopes for a biathlon, since it's cold today, and it's made for cold weather. Let's see if there is any lot information here. No velocity information. You just have to see. I'm just going to start the chronograph. Save. Okay. And start recording. Now we can start. I'm going to shoot 10 foulers real quick. Was that 10? Yeah. Well, with that out of the way, just start shooting. Let's see, 11:08. Let's see if we can make some groups. Where is the target? Again, these ejection problems. And the empties keep sticking inside the action. Oh, just need to get some. This is starting to worry me a little bit, because if you need to change the grip and the hold of the rifle in the middle of a group, it's going to screw everything up. Let's see if we can save this group. Well, maybe it's beyond fixing anyway. No. Nothing to write home about, but I guess it's average. That felt way hotter. I can tell you right away, this rifle do not like the Eley Biathlon. I've shot better groups with Thunderbolt. let's pull it together on the last 5 shots. Come on, give me a good group. It could have been good if it hadn't been for the flyer. Well, just one sip of coffee and let's go get on target. I can't even drink today. The chronograph picked up 29 of the 30 shots we shot, and the maximum velocity was 1129 feet per second and the minimum 1082. This gives us a spread of 47, a little bit more than I would like, and the average is 1109 feet per second. And the standard deviation is 10, not too bad. The 10 Fowler shots yielded a group of 0.737 inches or 1.40 MOAs. I usually don't measure the Fowlers, but there has been a couple of requests for the numbers, so here they are. The first group we shot ended up at 0.454 inches, equivalent to 0.867 MOAs, a decent group. This is the size I had hoped would be the average, but it turned out not to be the case, as we now move on to group number 2. Group 2 had a couple of severe flyers, which made it, to put it mildly, less than impressive. 0.876 inches or 1.73 MOAs, double group number 1, is nothing to boast about. Let's forget about this one and instead focus on the third group. And the third group was at least somewhat better. With a result of 0.523 inches, we narrowly made it under 1 MOAs, namely 0.999. So now we're on the fourth and final group. It had the potential to be really good, but with a flyer it ended up at 0.587 inches or 1.122 MOAs. Now let's take a look at what the average turned out to be. I had hoped for sub MOAs, but we didn't manage that due to group 2. We ended up at 1.16 MOAs, so not too far off. In inches, the average was 0.61. Well folks, that's all for this time. I see you in the next video.